Hello, everyone. Mike Gaitis here, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Today, I'm here with Dr. Jeremiah Bradford, owner and physical therapist at Unified Rehabilitation in Winter Garden. Dr. Bradford and his team have specialized in many different treatments to help their patients live active lives that are pain-free while achieving their goals. Dr. Bradford, thank you for having me here today.
Thanks for coming over and inviting me to do this. I'm excited.
Dr. Bradford, what is direct access and why is it important to patients?
So glad you asked that question, Mike. I really am, because direct access, I wish it was more well known. So there was an initiative by our professional organization called Vision 2020. And by 2020, they wanted to have all the states with some level of direct access, and they were able to achieve that. So what direct access means is you can directly come and see one of our physical therapists. You don't have to get a referral. You don't have to go get imaging first. You don't have to do all these other things that you did before, or some people still think you do. You can come right to us to get your problem solved. So why this is important is because the typical timeline or way that people would do it before, and some do, a lot of them still do in our traditional medical system, is they'd go see their primary care doctor. Mm-hmm. Primary care doctor would either refer them to a specialist, refer them for imaging, or sometimes refer them to therapy. Then they would go get imaging or to the specialist, and the specialist would either say it's this, that, or the other thing, medication, a shot, or go to imaging or surgery, or whatever the case may be. And then at this point, we all know how difficult it can be to get appointments at different medical places. You might be 2 or 3 months out for your shoulder pain that could have been solved directly coming to us. So say you went that route. Then you go in and you have to have conservative management before they can do any sort of operation or injection or anything like that. So then they would come to physical therapy. Well, direct access cuts all that out.
Okay.
Because most of the time when they come to physical therapy, they get better and they don't need those things. And so we don't necessarily need imaging to see what's going on. We have a lot of different special testing, a lot of different knowledge of the human body and how certain conditions present, that we can figure out what's going on, give you the appropriate exercises, do the appropriate manual therapy, the appropriate modalities. Maybe that's aquatic therapy, maybe that's some dry needling, some cupping, myofascial release type stuff, and that will fix the issue. So what does that do? That saves you time, that saves you money, that saves you trips all around town, and it gets you out of pain a whole lot faster.
Really an advantage for the patients.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Dr. Bradford, I really want to thank you for having me out today. If someone wanted to learn more about you, your staff, and all the treatments you provide here, what's the best way for someone to connect with you?
Absolutely. Great question. Best way to connect with us is giving us a call. Our phone number is 407-614-8002. Follow us on social media. Go to our website, which is www.unifiedrehabilitation.com. Our social links are on there. A list of what we treat, how we treat, all our staff member bios, and pictures are on there. So that's the easiest way to really learn about us, to connect with us. And it doesn't cost anything for a phone call.
Well, thanks again.
Thank you so much, Mike, for coming out. I really enjoyed this.
Appreciate
and love to serve our community, and I love doing this with you.
Thank you so much. And I want to thank the good folks over at Splash Social Marketing for putting together this video series. They help businesses of all sizes with the social media they're marketing their website. They can be reached at splashsocialmarketing.com. And again, I am Mike Gaitis, a commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial. Thank you.